Hello, my dear students. I'm welcoming you all in Maths online class. Myself, Deepika Singhvi. As we are doing chapter number 5, decimal, till here we have completed our exercise 5A, 5B, 5C, and 5D. And today we will start exercise 5E. In this exercise, we will learn about like decimal and unlike decimal, how to convert unlike decimal into like decimal, compare an ordering of decimals. So let's start today's class. Our question number 1 is convert the following decimal into like decimals. So what is like decimals? Decimals having the same number of decimal place are called like decimal. How it will be? See here. Here in A we have 0.3 and here 0.45. After decimal here we have 1 place and after decimal here we have 2 place. So these decimals are called unlike decimal. ऐसे decimal जिनकी decimal place different होती है. See here is 0.5, here is 0.32 and here is 0.634. So after decimal here is 1 place, here is 2 and here is 3. These are called unlike decimal. ये इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Unlike decimal. Now how to convert this unlike decimal into like decimal? See here. Here we have unlike decimal. Now we have to convert. अब हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पर decimal के बाद जैसे यहाँ पर 1 प्लेस है, यहाँ पे 2 प्लेस, तो जहाँ पर 1 प्लेस है उसको 2 प्लेस बनाना है हमें. और वो कैसे बनाएंगे? एडिंग ज़ीरो, बाय एडिंग ज़ीरो. सी हियर हमने क्या किया? 3 के बाद में एक ज़ीरो ऐड कर दिया. सो नाउ आफ्टर डेसिमल हियर वी हैव 2 digits, here also we have 2 digits. Now in B 1.43 and 1.7 after decimal 2 places here and after decimal 1 place here. यहाँ पर 1 digit ही है और यहाँ पर 2 digit है. So these are unlike decimal. Now we have to convert in like decimal. इन दोनों में से 2 digits maximum है. It means जहाँ पर 1 digit है उसको हमें 2 digits बनाना है. So we will write 1.43 as it is and now 1.7 के आगे हम एक 0 ऐड कर देंगे. So now these are like decimal. After decimal 2 places, after decimal 2 places. C part 4.9 and here 4.870. Here after decimal 3 places, here only 1. What we have to do? We have to convert in like decimal. So how it will be? हम decimal के बाद यहाँ पर 1 है, digit है, हम इसको total 3 digits बनाएंगे by adding 0. So now 4.9 and here 0 0. Why 3 digits? Because here we have 3 digits. That's why we will make it 3. So now these are like decimals. Now in D part 4.72 and 4.718. So here we have 2 digits after decimal and here after decimal we have 3 digits. So what we have to do? We have to make here 3 digits. So we will make this 3 digits. So here 4.72, we will add 0 here and now this digit same as it is. Now in E part 19.05 and here 19.5. After decimal here 2 digit and here 1 digit. So we will make like decimal. यहाँ पर 0.5 सेम आ जाएगा और यहाँ पर हम 0 के आगे 5 के आगे एक 0 ऐड कर देंगे to make like decimal. So now these are like decimals. Now in F part 8.215 and here 8.3. So what we will do? Here we have 3. तो हमें इसको भी 3 digits बनाना होगा. Decimal places 3 होनी चाहिए यहाँ पर भी. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 8.215 we will write as it is and here we will add 2 zeros to make 3 places. Okay. So these are like decimals and in this way we have to convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Now our question number 2, fill in the boxes with the signs. So we have a sign, we have to compare in the number and then we have to put the sign. For that, first we have to check that our digits should be in like decimal. हमारी जो digits हैं वो like decimal में होनी चाहिए. In A 0.42 after decimal 2 digit and here 0.24. So we have already in like decimal. So no need to convert. नाउ वी हैव टू कंपेयर. तो सबसे पहले डेसिमल के बाद फर्स्ट डिजिट हम सबसे पहले हम ज़ीरो, यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर ज़ीरो सेम है, यहाँ पर भी ज़ीरो है, यहाँ पर भी ज़ीरो है. नाउ आफ्टर डेसिमल वी हैव 4 हियर एंड हियर वी हैव 2 and here 4. It means the 4 is bigger than 2. It means we will put bigger sign here. Now in B 0.08 and here 0.8. You see here we have unlike decimal. यहाँ पर 1 डिजिट ही है और यहाँ पर 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस है, यहाँ पर 1 डेसिमल प्लेस है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको पहले लाइक डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो 0.08 and then 0.80. Now we will compare. Here 0, 0 same. Now after decimal here we have 0 and here 8. So 8 is bigger, that's why we will put this sign here. Now here 3.01 and we have to compare 3.001. यहाँ पर अनलाइक डेसिमल है, हम इसे लाइक में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले लाइक में कन्वर्ट कैसे करेंगे, हेयर 3 प्लेसेस है तो हम यहाँ पर भी 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस बना देंगे बाय एडिंग 0. नाउ वी विल कंपेयर. फर्स्ट here 3, here also 3, same. Now here 0, here also 0, same. Now check this digit, here we have 1 and here we have 0. What it means, 1 is bigger than 0, so we will put bigger sign here. Now D part 2.067 and here 2.67. First we will convert in like decimal. So 2.067 we will write as it is and here 2.670 we will add here. Now we have to compare once again. First we will compare this 2 same, यहाँ पर भी 2 है same. Now here 0, here we have 6. It means 6 is bigger. So we will put bigger sign here. Now 8.56 and 8.567. Unlike decimal should be converted into like decimal by adding 0. Now we will compare. Here 8, here also we have 8. After decimal here is 5, here also we have 5. Here 6, here also we have 6. In the last here we have 0 and here we have 7. It means 7 is bigger. So this number is bigger. Now here 0.020, 0.006. So these are already we have in like decimal. So no need to convert. We will just compare. Here 0, here also 0. Here 0, here also 0. This place here is 2 and here is 0. It means this is bigger. So in this way we have to do comparison. Now question number 3. Which is longer, 4.56 meter और 4.8 मीटर? यहाँ पर भी हमें कंपैरिजन करना है. तो सबसे पहले जब भी हमें कंपैरिजन करना होता है हम क्या करेंगे, लाइक डेसिमल्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सी हियर वी हैव अनलाइक डेसिमल, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको लाइक में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट वी विल राइट कंपैरिजन बिटवीन 4.56 मीटर और 4.8 मीटर. Now like decimal. So 4.56 as it is and here 4.80. Now we have to compare. Here we have 4, here also same. Now here we have 5 and here we have 8. It means this one is bigger. Therefore 4.8 meter is longer. Why we have written here 4.8? Because यहाँ पर आगे कितनी भी ज़ीरो ऐड करो, the value will be remain the same. Value will not change. Okay. So now question number 4. Soumya has 25.75 meter of ribbon, while Naina has 2.5.80 meter of ribbon. Who has more ribbon? Again, here we have to compare. So Soumya has 25.75 meter of ribbon. Naina has 25.80 meter of ribbon. Now comparison between, we have to compare that who has more ribbon. So we will compare from both the numbers. Here is, we have already in like decimal, so no need to convert to 25.75 and here 25.80. So 25 means 2 same and 5 same. After decimal, here is 7 and here is 8. It means this one is bigger. Therefore, and who has 25.80 meter of ribbon? Naina has. So we will write the statement, Naina has more ribbon. Okay. So today we have completed our first, second, 3 and 4th question. I hope you all understand this. You have to do this work in your notebook. Okay, my dear students, good day and goodbye.